All right, so we have a track day on Friday. Today's Monday, and we gotta do a couple of little projects. So currently we have 4 Sparco sprints between the 2 Miatas, and they're mixed up a little bit right now. So we need to take my driver's seat, put it in his. No, my driver's seat goes to your driver's seat.
Yep.
Your driver's seat goes to my passenger seat. My passenger seat goes to my driver's seat, because there's 2 different style types. Like one's like a vinyl and the other one is cloth. But my 2 vinyls are different and I don't fit in the one. So that has to go into my passenger, and my passenger needs to go into the driver. So while we're doing that, we also got me a seat bracket, because currently the 2 driver seats are on sliders, because he's 5'11", I'm 5'3", and we want to be able to drive each other's cars. But the issue with that is I sit a little too tall with the slider. So we got these side-mounted planted bracket for my car. And yeah, so this is what we're trying to do today, is get my car fully situated. And then we have the rest of the week to figure out what we're doing with Al's car, because he also bought something fun. So he bought, well, garage is too small. He got himself a butterfly brace.
It connects the frame rails and does what a roof would do structurally, or helps at least, by just connecting the left and right and front and back of the car.
It's a little heavy, and it's gonna be kind of a pain to install, because doesn't this go through like your frame rails?
Yeah, you gotta drill 24 holes. It goes through the floor.
Oh wow, so yeah, so the reason why we're trying to figure out what we're doing right now with it is both seats have to come out anyways to put that on.
Yep.
So. All right, so we are starting with taking the driver's seat out of Al's car, but I've actually never done it before, so how are we gonna do it?
Well, this is gonna be the easiest part of literally all of this.
Okay.
Because it's just 4 bolts that you can get to because it's on a slider.
Okay, so then taking my driver's seat will be just as easy.
Yes.
Okay.
Everything else will suck.
Cool. So, how do you get to it?
Well, since the seat is slid all the way back already, you can see the 2 front bolts.
Okay, so this one?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
And so we'll pull those and then just slide the seat forward and do the back ones.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's really easy.
Yep.
And then we'll take off the slider, like the slider will come off with the seat, and then we'll take it off separately.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yep, impacts and 14 or 17. And yeah, it's one of the 2 though. I just don't remember which. And yeah.
Getting some pull there.
Yeah. No, I mean sockets are all over there.
We need that.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, you want to see if that fits first? We put it.
Yeah. 14?
Yeah, 14.
Is it a 14?
Yeah.
Oh, you grabbed? Then yeah.
Cool. Here you go.
Thank you.
I'll take. Oh.
Yeah, because, yeah. Yep.
All right, so we flipped a coin, and I won taking out the driver's seat because that one's easier. I feel like you always lose the coin flips.
Yeah. It's a one-sided coin.
I should almost take this opportunity while the seats are out to vacuum this whole car out.
Yeah.
I think I've spun it off track enough times that there's probably still grass everywhere. It's fine. I promise I'm a good driver. I just like experimenting, right?
Yeah. That's the good one.
So he just did the first one, and it's really hard to tell on this camera, but a lot better. So. All right, number 2, all done. There you go. Here, let's do a side-by-side comparison.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's... Oh, this isn't even the worst one.
No.
Oh, here we
I
go.
think the first one might have been.
Yeah, the first one was worse, but I don't know if this camera will pick up. Oh, this one's... Look right there.
Threads will shoot up?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also why we're doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see the threads all chewed up right there, but hopefully we can fix
Fix
it.
up a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, all right. That's the best looking one yet.
Nice. Sweet.
All right, this one's the scary one. Oh yeah, look at that. I can do it by hand. Wow. Wow, this cleaned up really nicely. You saw how bad it was to start. Alright, so it's day 2. Yesterday we got a little bit of a late start, so I have my caffeine and I'm going to be putting Al's seat back in. Also, new discovery, the Spring Edition Red Bull with a little bit of lemonade on top is so good. Alright, so before we can put the seat in the car, I want to put this lap belt on as it bolts to the side and it'll be way too hard to get to once it's in. So I need to find the right size for that. Absolutely. It's probably a 17. I don't know, I go back and forth on being good at guessing these and bad. Okay. This job calls for some ugga-duggas. Wow, it made it look so easy. Alright, so I think I figured it out. I think we had just taken like the impact and just a little bit of brute force the bolt through. And I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Because it was very, very close, but now it's on an angle a little bit, so I gotta fix that, but it might fix itself. Found a cute little Polaroid of both cars. Don't even know where this is at, but it's cute. So I got it just sitting in the car, and now I'm fishing. It's a 6-point harness, so I'm fishing the 2 points down under, and then underneath the seat it will hook on to these anchors. Alright. That was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.